Earthrise, the screenplay, dark matter stories. Opening note: imagine a world of fire, chaos, and cosmic violence. A place where molten rock rained from the sky, seas boiled, and the land raged. This was not the Earth we know today, but the terrifying and magnificent birth of our planet. Act 1. A violent beginning. 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was nothing more than a swirling cloud of dust and gas orbiting a young, blazing sun. Gravity, the invisible sculptor, had gathered this cosmic debris, shaping particles into rocks, rocks into mountains, and mountains into worlds. One of these worlds was destined to become Earth. But its beginnings were not a paradise. The newborn planet was a hellish inferno, a molten, red, glowing surface constantly bombarded by massive asteroids. Each collision could vaporize the oceans, shake the continents, and even tilt the planet's axis. And then came Theia, a planet the size of Mars. It collided with the young Earth in a cataclysm so powerful that it nearly destroyed both planets. Molten debris from this collision was hurled into space and slowly formed our moon. Act 2, from oceans of fire to oceans of water. As the chaos slowed, something extraordinary began. Volcanoes spewed steam and gas into the atmosphere. Slowly, clouds formed. Then, for the first time, a continuous rain fell for millions of years. The surface cooled, fire gave way to water, and vast oceans spread across the planet. Earth had transformed from a world of fire into a world of water. But these oceans were not yet peaceful. They boiled with heat and energy, thrashed by storms of unimaginable power, and within them, the first seeds of life waited. Act 3. The mysterious spark. Somewhere in those ancient seas, lightning struck. Chemistry became biology. Simple molecules bonded, twisted, and tore apart, until finally, life was born. Tiny microscopic organisms thrived in the deep oceans, feeding on minerals and sunlight. Fragile, invisible, but unstoppable. These first creatures would one day shape the planet itself. By releasing oxygen into the air, they shaped the atmosphere we breathe today. They laid the foundations for forests, animals, and us. Act 4. Earth becomes a home. For billions of years, Earth moved from chaos to balance. Continents drifted like giant rafts, mountains rose and fell, and climates changed. But through it all, life adapted, evolved, and endured. From fire and stone, to oceans and air, to the living world we see today. This is the story of Earth's birth, a story written in the stars, the rocks beneath our feet, and every breath we take. Closing chorus. The Earth is 4.6 billion years old, but it's still a child on the vast timeline of the cosmos. What secrets does its past hold, and what does its future hold? This is just the beginning of the story of Dark Matter Stories. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it.